Welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. My lovely fans, since Juju Ekwensu introduced herself, abi since when you introduce Juju Ekwensu as a baby mama, this woman called Ekwensu Romasi Mami Water has not find peace. You know, from that very day you said, I have a baby mama and a baby. Since that day, Juju Ekwensu never find peace. She has been trying to do competition with May Edochie. I don't know who advised Juju Ekwensu, but the person that advised Juju Ekwensu that the best thing she can do with her life is to go into competition with May Edochie. That person advised Juju Ekwensu wrong. I don't know who advised Juju Ekwensu. Tell Juju Ekwensu say the best way she can go about it is doing competition with May Edochie. Now so Juju Ekwensu can start competition with May Edochie. If May Edochie post, she go post. If May Edochie come outside, she go come outside. She started doing competition with May Edochie. She never even reached halfway. Now only she run. Only May Edochie shoe. Only one May Edochie shoe. Go buy everything wey Juju Ekwensu get for inside her wardrobe. Juju Ekwensu look and say, only one May Edochie shoe can buy all her clothes inside her wardrobe. Only one May Edochie handbag cover all Juju Ekwensu jewelries and shoes, even her hair. So Juju Ekwensu come look am. She come see and say, no, she cannot be in competition with May Edochie. May Edochie pass am in every way. This woman is not a woman that she can go into competition with. So Juju Ekwensu come use style. She come withdraw from that competition. She come become marriage advisor, marriage counselor. Wonder shall never end. Juju Ekwensu come become marriage counselor. She come from distance, they watch May Edochie. Because at the very beginning, she thought that she can do competition with May Edochie. And if she do, I go do. But she later find out that class get class. She not reach there. If she say, make she follow May Edochie do competition, she go sell you sell the whole of her children. She no go fit stay meet up. So she decided to withdraw. She now become a marriage counselor. When we thought that she have learned her lesson there, because sometimes some people, they need to see shaggy before they learn lesson. We thought that maybe she have learned her lesson. She have already know that there is no competition. According to the video, say, no competition for my lady. We think say she don't learn her lesson. No. Say Juju Ekwensu don't enter us. She don't already know, say she and May Edochie, they are not in. She don't know, say she and May Edochie, they are not in the same category. My people, we thought that Juju Ekwensu have learned her lesson. This woman never learn lesson. Juju Ekwensu don't come out with another one again. Hey. Juju Ekwensu is in another level. Another level now she take come outside. This time around, don't get it wrong. She is no longer in competition with May Edochie. Because she knows say May Edochie don't pass her. This time around, she's now in competition with Daniela. Hey! Person wey they swear for there is nothing you can do to save them. If you not take time while trying to help a cursed person, that person fit use your own head to pay for it. You see that people that are cursed, there is nothing you can do to save them. Even if they see the red flag, they enter inside. Now you do competition with May Edochie, you see and say you not reach her class. Now she think that maybe doing competition with Daniela, she go win. My lovely fans, according to wetin the carry come give us, according to what we are hearing now, Juju Ekwensu Romasi Mami Water is in competition with Daniela. Say Daniela, she's an ambassador to different companies. She's also working in this social media, different places on social media. Like Daniela is very popular in different places, endorsement. She's in collaboration with different companies. They invite her for different places. She represents different brand. So all these things, we never knew that Juju Ekwensu was jealous. Juju Ekwensu, they jealous Daniela. She don't shift a negative energy of jealousy towards Daniela now. She is really jealous of Daniela. But wetin they carry come give us now, they say the way Juju Ekwensu is jealous of Daniela, not be here. To the extent she have to go this far. Now, Juju Ekwensu don dey call a lot of brand for children. She dey personally go look for this company, call this brand, send her daughter picture to them, that they should use her daughter for adverts. Now she come dey beg them. She just dey send her daughter picture to different brand. Baby clothes, those one wey dey do baby clothes, those one wey dey sell baby shoes, those one wey dey sell things to do hair, all those jewelries for children. She just dey send her daughter picture to different brand, begging them to endorse her daughter. Not for money, for free. Get my point? For free. Because according to Juju Ekwensu wants her daughter to be famous like Daniela. Una dey see where jealousy for dey come. This little girl now, she's a little girl. Imagine wetin Juju Ekwensu get for mind. When this girl grow now, she go come poison this girl mind with this kind of a mindset. Daniela, when she small, there was nothing like endorsement or anything. Now only one I remember, when Daniela and her papa take picture when they do advert for one company. That time Daniela would be around that kind 8 years. Now Daniela was 8 years when she did that advert with the father. She don't almost finish university before she started having her endorsement. She not start to get this endorsement at a very early age. Now only that one when she did 8 years, when she and her father take picture, now we see say she do one endorsement with the father. Since then come reach now, Daniela not do any endorsement or ambassador or anything. Now when she don't almost finish university, she can start to sign endorsement, become ambassador, walking around all these social media things. Now Juju Ekwensu, out of jealousy, wants her daughter to be doing competition with Daniela. According to her, she say May Edochie na dey push Daniela, they give her all these endorsements. According to Juju Ekwensu, now she wants her own daughter to also dey reign like Daniela. Juju Ekwensu started calling different people. About 6 people when she called, now he exposed and come aside. Which kind? These people were asking, what kind of desperation is this? If people won't sign your daughter, if people need your daughter, they will come, they will sign, they will pay. Which one be this free one where this woman just define they go? Until she can't call one person when he gets store wey be Nollywood actress. He can't call that one, say, make that one say her daughter go do advert for her. That one they sell baby clothes. Now Nollywood actress, I no wan call name. She can't tell and say her daughter go do advert for her. Say she no need to pay. She just wants her daughter to be an ambassador. From there, maybe other people will start calling her daughter. Now that Nollywood actress can tell and say, she herself, she get children. She cannot put your daughter. If she want to put children, she will put her own children. But she not put her children because she's okay. People they come by. She no want to do advert. Now Juju Ekwensu they tell her and say, make she not worry. It's not about money. Now that Nollywood actress can't use that Juju Ekwensu say, leave that little girl alone now. She's still small. Now Juju Ekwensu they tell the Nollywood actress say, small not there. Hey, from this early age, now they start her. Say make you go see Daniela. Daniela is everywhere. Now so the papa say he's proud of Daniela. because Daniela is doing well for herself. Daniela no need the father or the mother to put food on her table before she eats. That girl is really doing well. That girl has made it for herself. Like that girl everywhere, they are just calling her. The mother is just pushing her, giving her contracts, giving her connection. Now Juju Ekwesu come tell this Nollywood actress, say no, she not go just fall down like that too. The way May Edochie dey push her daughter, dey help her daughter, so now so she go still do for her own. And she knows say her daughter must surely sign her endorsement before she even gets to 3 years. The Nollywood actress come tell Juju Ekwesu say, so because of Daniela, now you dey find who wan sign your daughter to become an ambassador. Now that one come tell am say Juju Ekwesu Zubuanike o. Zubuanike. Hey, Daniela is a big girl. That one don already made. Your daughter still small. Which kind competition you won't carry this small girl? They do with somebody that is already matured, wey don finish, person wey don finish university. Your daughter is yet to start school. You want to compare your daughter to Daniela wey don finish university? Hey, the person, the Nollywood actress tell Juju Ekwesu say your road go long go. If you just start like this, like, are you going to start buying clothes, dressing her? Because Daniela dey dress. So when it comes to dressing, when it comes to maintenance, can you maintain your daughter the way Daniela dey maintain herself? Can you, Juju Ekwesu? You never fit maintain yourself. You wan use small pikin take dey do competition with Daniela. Is it not your daughter Daniela? That girl will be say her nails clean finish. That girl skin fresh anyhow. Hey, that girl clothes na one e thought. Her hair, she dey always dey do her hair. It's very hard to see her with unkept hair. Juju Ekwesu you fit. Juju Ekwesu say why she not go fit. She wants to push her daughter. Her daughter need to go front. From this early age, now they need to start her. In this early age, now she need to start her. She wants somebody to take her for free. From there, people will start calling her and they will start paying her. Everything for life na tactics. Now waiting, he tell the Nollywood actress. Now the Nollywood actress come tell and say, congratulations, if that is what you really want for yourself. Congratulations. But this journey, you sure say you go fit? Daniela, you won't use her. You won't use your daughter till they do competition with Daniela. So you see this life, sometimes you don't know people that are jealous of you. Imagine Juju Ekwesu from May Edochie. She don't see and say, May Edochie pass am. She cannot meet up with May Edochie. She don't transfer to the daughter. You see how witchcraft operate? If Juju Ekwesu na witch now, which we all know say na witch. You see the way they operate. They try the mother, they cannot get the mother, they move down. She have not entered the daughter. And to me, if you ask me, Daniela has been doing endorsement since then. Juju Ekwesu not come out, can't do this competition. I will tell you for free, say, now when you go talk for that broadcast, when you talk, say, I love my daughter. Now that jealousy, now you enter Juju Ekwesu body. She want to make her daughter popular. She wants her daughter to become popular like Daniela. You see where competition, witchcraft for the stats. Juju Ekwesu you go fit. This one where you dey beg people, say make they endorse your daughter. Daniela is not begging people. It's people that reach out to her, people that calls her. Now you carry this small pikin picture. They beg, use and they share for everywhere. They beg people, say make they give her endorsement. If una hear say Juju Ekwesu daughter get endorsement, na free o. Free, they not pay her 1 naira. Because she have now moved her competition. Imagine using a little child wey never sabi talk. They use her, they do competition with person wey don't graduate from university. The person wey swear for Juju Ekwesu, that course they cannot return it back. That course no fit clean for Juju Ekwesu head. Instead of her to think on how to train these children, make they even know book first. She dey think of how to do competition with Daniela. You did with the mother, you not succeed. Now, the daughter. My lovely fans, wonder shall never end. A lot of people now, this thing when I dey tell now, so it don't go viral inside the industry. A lot of people are surprised the way Juju Ekwesu they use her daughter. Say they beg. She is begging with this child. She is using this child to beg people to endorse her child. Hey, Ogini Neme, my people. Wonder shall never end. Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.